जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, एजुकेशन एक ऐसा सेक्टर है विच कट्स अक्रॉस ऑल द सेक्शंस। और जितने भी लोग सोसाइटी में निकल करके जाते हैं वो हमारे एजुकेशन सेक्टर से निकल करके जाते हैं। तो पहली बात तो ये है कि आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट 4 C's. The first C is that are we conscious about what is happening around us and what is happening with our youth, what is happening with our own self, our own life. So all these things we have to be conscious enough. So raising the consciousness of the people, of the students, that is the first step, and which your name itself says, Jagrik. So Jabardast Jagring means a lot of awareness about the issues surrounding you that you are already doing very well. The next C I would like to say, are we concerned? That means, do we know the impact of all these issues on a general well-being of everybody, not only women, the whole nation. We all are talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we know that India is a young country. But then, if women are not healthy enough, they won't be able to produce a healthy generation. So, if the children, younger generation, they are not having the strength, they are lacking the inner strength, the physical strength, the social awareness, and so many things, then they won't be able to contribute to the development of the country as well. So our Atmanirbhar Bharat, what we are talking about, it can't be done without a healthy youth, healthy generation, and that needs a healthy woman above all. So this is the concern. Are we concerned? When we are talking about MMR, we are talking about infant mortality rate, we are talking about early marriages, we are talking about teenage pregnancies. There are so many things we are talking about and we are concerned. So we must know that all these issues are affecting each one of us in some way or the other and bringing down the development of our country and the whole globe at large. And the third C, I would like to say that are we uh, committed to do something about the issues? And this commitment will come when we really are aware about the ground realities. When we are aware, when we are jagrik, when we are jabardast jagrik, then only we can commit ourselves that yes, we have to bring the change. So that is the third C. And after that, even if we are committed, we want to bring the change. But if we don't have the competency, the fourth C, so we ourselves are not knowledgeable enough, we ourselves are not well connected with the peer group, the people who are working in the same area, so we are lacking if hand holding. So all those things are to be done to develop the competencies, so we can do it through lots of activities, the workshops, the interactions with youth as you all are doing right now. So all these things will develop the competency of the youth so that they can think about bringing some change and they can participate as a jagrik in the development of the country and in the well-being, the holistic well-being of everybody, including the women and girls. So yes, we can help as educationists. We can join hands in raising the awareness. We can join hand in conducting the activities. We can join hand in bringing all the partners at the same platform so that we can see, we can understand all the perspectives from different hats. So that is very, very important, because when we interact, then we come to know, okay, yes, I was not aware about it, this is also happening. So all those things can be done by the educational institute, which I may call as hand holding of such institution as of yours. Thank you.